Again, here's the old valve. This one's pretty old. You want to try to save this blind nut thing. I don't know what it's called. Mark's gonna probably tease me about it. But yeah, you just gotta remove the fittings. It's pretty simple. Turn the water off first. But if you can see, that right there is plumber's dope, I believe. Yeah, that's plumber's dope. So that tells me it's been a long time since this has been replaced. Do make sure the water's off. I hope it is. Nope. Didn't turn that one off. Okay, water's off. Gotta be kind of a little careful on some of this stuff. I don't want to have to replace the whole diverter and everything related to it. Let's see, I got a little. Look at the washer. They just fall apart. Yeah, this is ancient. But I probably didn't have to replace everything, it looks like there. There was some plumbing tape. But somewhere there was some plumber's dope. But, yeah, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna probably get this water up, clean it up, put some vinegar on it, clean it up, and do all four. All right.